Alrighty, how's it going today, everybody? Today is gonna be a fun day of chasing wires because I have this whole mess up under here. I want to try to see if I can maybe get the lights working. That's one of the biggest things, because then I could actually probably get plates for it if I wanted to and get the truck back on the road. So I don't know how much of the dash I'm gonna take apart. I might just go up underneath and just work on my back, but I did pull it out a bit so I have more room, because then I'm gonna have to figure out, I mean, this is pretty nasty looking here. I'm pretty sure I need a new wiring harness setup anyway, so I don't even know what actually works. So yeah, it's just gonna be chasing some wires today, and hopefully I can get something figured out while my son's at school. So let's get to it. Let's see if I can get that fuse box off. That out. Perfect, because that is not necessary. Got that out of the way now. Okay, that helps. Yeah, this fucking red wire down here literally goes into nothing. It goes to here, and then it goes to this plug right here, which this plug isn't plugged into anything. But yeah, it's going right here. And it's just wrapped around this orange cable here. So you know what? I'm cutting it. Okay, that's just annoying and in the way. That just made it 10 times easier. I didn't know there was a bolt on the back. Yeah, sorry. Oh, I wish I would have seen that before. Alright, well, I guess I had to change cards, but yeah, I didn't notice, because this was stopping me from pulling that through, but there was a bolt right there. I didn't even see that. That just made it 10 times easier now. So now I can get that fuse box out here so I can actually take a look at it and see what the hell is actually going on with it now. Oh yeah, that's nice. Try to figure out what's actually going to what in this contraption they got going on here. This 20 right here does nothing. It's good. Oh, it's missing a... It's got power. That's not going to anything. Yeah, so it's got power, okay. There's this wire that's cut. Okay. They fucking cut that. Okay. I got reverse lights. Yeah, I got reverse lights. They're running like these lights come on. These lights come on. Okay. I got those running lights, but none of the front lights work. Yep, none of these work. Whatever they did, they got those two spliced together, but these two are cut off. What is going on here? Shut that off real quick. Those lights were working. Okay. So that's something. Okay. So I figured something out, I think. If I can get that yellow wire connected, I think I'll have lights up front. Then I can just go from there. That's what I'm trying to do now. This wire, this yellow wire, I decided to cut it, splice it into this white one. But really, both of them need to go in here. So I'm trying to see if I can fix that wire, because that should give me headlights. If I fix that wire, in theory, that should give me headlights. They just didn't. Why did they do that? That's what I'm gonna have to try to do now. Man, this is gonna be a bitch. Ouch. That hurt. So if I can get both of those yellows into this white, I should have lights. That's what I'm thinking. Because this worked the rear lights. However the fuck they managed that. I'm trying to keep it. Oh, fuck it. Okay. I was trying to keep it as long as I could, but whatever. I always manage to cut my fucking hands. Okay. Now, I'm gonna have to fucking really jerry-rig this now. Because that was supposed to be one. That was supposed to be one. Okay, I'm gonna have to extend both of those, it looks like. Okay, let's extend these wires out so I can work on it a little bit easier. Crimp this on here. Okay, that's crimped on there. Give me another section of red. That's a little too small. Let's do that. See if I can get this working. So that would be awesome. This one should be easier to get since it's right here. I say that now, and I just left my... Okay. Now, where's that white wire? Here's the white wire. Let me just get this a little bit easier accessible for right now. Cut this off. Sorry, it's hard to do all this in film, but I'm just seeing if I can rig something up to where this is going to work. In theory, they should work because they had both of these. This yellow was supposed to stay together. They cut it and hooked it up, and that goes back to the backlights. So if I reconnect these down into one on the white wire, then it should work. I might need a bigger connector, I don't know. Let me see if I can get this twisted a little bit better. That sucks. I need more on this one. Ouch. Oh, I don't have any bigger connectors, but we'll see if that works for now, and I can always upgrade it after. Okay, now let's see if I can get this plugged back in. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Let's see what's going on here now. Oh yeah! Got him! Except for that one, I think that bulb might be bad. Let me see if there's power going to that. Oh, hell yeah! the horn works. Oh, that's awesome. The horn works. That's good. Nice. Well, that's gonna do it for today. I did get the front and rear lights to work, which is pretty cool. Actually, I gotta back this thing back in anyways, but I will show you. Light switch on. That bulb is not working. So I got the front working. I have to go through and figure out, I'm missing lights anyways, but I gotta go through and get those out, but yeah, so I'm just gonna back this thing in and head home, so thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed.